This is the Overnight MAREE Lip Care. I've been using this for months and I strongly recommend it. Now, the main ingredients at work here are the collagen, which is gonna help restore and repair your skin, keeping it nice and supple. The vitamins A and E, which are gonna be more of a healing aspect. And finally, the hyaluronic acid, which is gonna help the skin absorb and store water, again, making them appear more supple and plump. Now, this is said that it's an overnight lip care. I use it at night, but to be honest with you, I use it all throughout the day. That's how much I love it. I'll even put a little bit of lip liner and then just blur it out using a thin layer of this moisturizer. Let's take a look inside. You'll see that it is a very light pink color, and I can turn it upside down. It's a very thick formula. It's definitely not gonna come out. Now, one of the main reasons why I love this brand MAREE is because they're very cognizant of not putting things in their products that don't need to be there, like dyes, sulfates, silicones, phthalates, parabens. So it's really good for your skin. So again, the way that I use this is in my night routine. After I do all of my skincare for my face, I'll put on a nice layer of this. It does come with a spatula, but I like using my fingers. So I'll use the back of my nail to scoop up a little bit and put it directly on my lips. And then I just rub it in. I'm very generous with the amount that I put, especially at night. So I rub it in, I make sure I get the corners of my mouth, all around. I even go a little bit over my lip line. It feels really good, really moisturizing. Now, when I'm using it at night, I'll put on a really generous amount. If I'm using it throughout the day, I'll go a little bit thinner. You get 0.7 ounces, but again, the product is so thick and a little goes a long way. So this is gonna last you a long time. Definitely try it out.